What's going on, guys? It's Doss. This video is not much of a how-to video, but it's really good footage, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and upload it anyway. I'll try my best to add as much commentary as possible to explain what's going on, but really it's just replacing this alternator on this 2009 Lexus ES 350. But as always, thank you guys for the support, and that's it. Alright, so after safely lifting the vehicle with this 2.5 ton jack and a 2-ton jack stand, this is the actual location of the alternator right there. There it is. It's right here. Camera doesn't want to focus. There it goes. This is all this right here. This is the alternator.
That's a 10 mil right there. There's going to be one right there and one right here. You got to take that out. And then boom, you get to your tensioner right there, chilling. Plug it. Come on, motherfucker. Damn. Yeah, fucking hell, man. That shit was not cool.
We went ahead and decided to remove all of this fender liner right here on this front wheel right here, and we've already loosened the belt right there by sticking that little pin inside that hole. Now he's on this bolt, so I don't know if you'd be able to see it. See if I can get my camera to focus right way deep down in there, in that little circle right there, right down in there. Nope, that's not. Oh, it's already out. Okay. Alright guys, he's got the alternator pretty much loose now. My apologies about the terrible commentary. Belt back on by grabbing this bolt right here with a socket and a horn on it. It releases the tension and everything, so you can make sure the belt is back on all these wheels properly, just like that. Alright, voiceover, we're going to take back over here. That's pretty much it as far as the talking and the video clips go. Pretty much the same as most alternator replacements, except this one's in a little bit of a different location, a little bit buried in there, so you kind of got to wiggle it out. Just 3 bolts pretty much that hold the alternator on, and then you have normally 2 cords that'll connect to it for the power. I almost scrapped it just because there wasn't really any commentary, but thank you guys for watching anyway, and that's it.